Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to create a car tire using FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for beginners and is very straightforward. So let's get started. Start a new project, open FreeCAD and create a new project. Switch to the Part Design workbench, create a new body, then open the SketchUp. Select the XY plane and click OK. Draw the tire base. Use the circle tool to draw a circle. Then adjust the diameter according to your desired size. Click close to finish the sketch. Extrude the circle. Use the pad tool to extrude the sketch. Set the desired width of the tire. Click OK. Taper the edges. Select both side edges of the cylinder. Apply the chamfer tool. Enter two distances and tick the box for symmetric chamfering. Set both distances to 6 mm and click OK. Now both sides are smooth and tapered. Create the tire buttons. Go back to Part Design and create a new body. Select the XZ plane and click OK. Use the polyline tool to draw a rectangle on the top surface of the tire. Ensure all sides are equal. Pad the button and position it. Use the pad tool to extrude the rectangle. Adjust the height. Use transform to move it to the correct position on the tire. Use Polar Array. Switch to Draft Workbench. Select the rectangle. Go to Array tool. Polar Array. Reset the point to choose 50 elements. Click OK. Now your tire buttons are evenly spaced. Duplicate for other rows. Copy and paste the array, then use transform to place them at both ends of the tire. Now all the tire buttons are in place. Create the tire sidewalls. Return to the part design workbench. Create another new body and select the XY plane. Draw a large circle to match the outer diameter of the tire and a small circle inside it for the rim fitting. Close the sketch. Extrude the sidewall. Use the pad tool to extrude the sidewall section to a thickness of 4 mm. Select the inner edge and apply chamfer to thicken it. Then select the outer edge and chamfer again. For a tapered rim edge, repeat this to build up more layers for detail. Mirror the sidewall. Copy and paste the finished sidewall. Use transform to move it to the opposite side of the tire. Done. Your complete car tire model is ready now. Take a moment to admire your work. Thank you. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, subscribe for more FreeCAD videos. And feel to leave your questions or comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.